talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah. I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't slow. No one can control. Yeah, and I got this soda.
Before we start this epic SeaWorld video, make sure to hit up the Orlando Star Flyer. It's opening up right now. It is complete, and I'm super excited for it. I'll be riding it probably the second day it opens because it'll be super packed. And to be honest, I'm so hyped. This is super tall and very large, and I'm really excited for it. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, so we're at SeaWorld Orlando. Look at Mako over here. But you know what's more interesting? Infinity Falls. Infinity Falls finally has its supports, and it's actually just chilling out here. It's really insane that we're seeing the Infinity Falls supports here in Orlando right now. I'm super excited for it, and let me get you a better look at it. You guys can see that the actual supports and more of the lift is down there, but I can't go because I don't want to break SeaWorld's rules, and this is part of SeaWorld's property. So this is really cool. We get to see some of the supports really up close, and yeah, pretty cool. More line than usual, but I finally got into SeaWorld. Going to explore and check out what's new in SeaWorld Orlando this time. Holy crap guys, after 2 days just recording last Infinity Falls, holy crap, they're just now officially theming in process of Infinity Falls. Oh my god. That means they're starting to work on the station. I believe the station is right there. And I believe the fall is down there. If you guys want to see it, go up to Shamu up close and you'll be able to see the full thing. And I'm wondering, why is SeaWorld not putting barriers here? Maybe they don't have that much barriers because of Infinity Falls. So I'm believing they're working on something really huge here for either 2019 or for Infinity Falls. Because down there you can see that the few wires that are over there that went vertical. And I'm kind of excited to see it. Because this whole area now could be officially a plot for land. It's already a plot of land, but it can now officially be a roller coaster area that could be talked about. This is some good space, and they can just tear down more trees, and they can get a really good RMC. Now, I would be super happy. So let's just see and wait, and I'll keep you guys updated in this area.
And schools of fish swim around your feet.
If you want to start eating a lot of food, enter here to get your Seven Seas Festival little trying pass, and honestly, it's really good. I've loved all the foods every single year once you get it from the Seven Seas Food Festival. Like the Mediterranean is my favorite. Holy cow, that trumpet note though, that's high. as you guys can see, you see Infinity Falls. What's happening in Infinity Falls right now?
Well, we're just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see for miles and miles. As the cabin rotates, keep an eye open for the lush tropical oasis right across the street from SeaWorld. That's Discovery Cove, where you can snorkel with rays and exotic fish, relax on a beautiful beach.